What's up, Freedom Gorillas? Today we have a little fitment guide for you on the all-new Gen 6 Glock 17 with the new cut using all of the Trijicon RMR footprint optics. Let's get into it. So a couple things that I will mention before we get started with the video. These will not co-witness pretty much with any of these optics because the iron sights are factory. That is pretty standard on a Glock. The new cut, I will say, is pretty nice. They got it as close to flush fit as they could. I will show you guys how those different plates that go actually into the slide here work. They kind of fall in. It is pretty much a flush fit. It does look very good, and it does give you a much lower height over bore there than you would with a regular MOS cut. We're going to compare those two, the standard MOS cut to the new Gen 6 cut. We're going to show you how all these mount. We're going to tell you screw sizes and just kind of go over everything you need to know. And we're also going to show you what they look like mounted on the gun when you're sitting behind it. And as always, all of the optics, screws, plates, anything that you see in today's video are available at freedomgorilla.com. We have the best price, free shipping, link down in the description below. Go click that link and get yourself set up. Alrighty guys, so getting right into the comparison here. We have the MOS cut and we have the new Gen 6 cut. As you can see with the MOS, you have this higher portion that's raised going up the center and two screw holes. That isn't gonna fit 99% of optics, so you will always need a plate with one of these. With the exception, of course, of the SCS MOS from Holosun. That will mount direct. And with that, the optic will sit much higher on the slide because you have that plate sticking up, adding some height to this. Glock saw that as a little bit of a disadvantage, and I'm sure everyone else did, and they made the new Gen 6 cut. They don't call it anything. We're just calling it the Gen 6 cut because they don't specify. But what they did with this basically was they cut like this little oblong hourglass shape here into it. And then you have two different sets of screw holes that are drilled for any of your optics pretty much. So it's sort of a multi-footprint system, but sort of not. And I'll show you guys why that is. So as you can see, that is recessed down and it comes with three adapter plates. They're like a shim sandwich kind of plate. And basically what you do is you set it in here like this, and then the optic just mounts on it. It has the recoil lugs right there. The number 4 is for DPP and RMSC footprint optics, so this will do both. The number 2 right here is for RMR. That's the one we're going to be using in this video. So not just Trijicon, but any RMR footprint optic will fit using this plate. And then we have our number 3 plate, which we're not even going to really mention because that's kind of an oddball optic. Anyway, when we mount this on here just like that, and we take our Trijicon RMR, it pops onto those recoil lugs, and then we just, as always, put our screws into the top and it is on. And it's close as you're gonna get to that flush fit direct cut as you possibly can, because it's, as you can see, flush with where the slide is. There's no real added height from a plate or anything like that. I think it's a very smart design. Now, these are polymer plates. A lot of you guys might have some complaints about that. I do know a couple companies are working on aluminum and steel plates for these, so don't worry, they're coming. We just don't have them yet. I can't disclose any real information on them, but we will have them, and when we do, they will be available at freedomgorilla.com. We'll have links in our videos to them, and you could grab one, get yourself set up. But as far as these are concerned, they work, it mounts. Recoil lugs are plastic, so again, something to keep in mind. It's Glock, it should hold zero fine. I mean, you have your screws in there, so it's really not gonna affect anything negatively as far as I'm concerned. Again, I don't have hard data on this, I don't know, but should be okay from what I see. And as far as screws are concerned for this, you are going to be using 632 screws to mount all of the RMR footprint optics. And that brings us to our next thing. We are just going over the basics today. We have the standard RMR, we have the SRO, we have the RMR HD, and we have the RCR. We're not including the RMR Type 2 as it is pretty much exactly the same as far as deck height and overall size to the standard RMR, and we are not including the RMR CC as it is a different footprint. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to mount these up. We're going to take a look at what it looks like when you're actually behind the gun, give you an idea. They probably are not going to co-witness. Actually, I know they're not going to co-witness, so don't expect them to. You can get raised irons and they will co-witness just fine, but that is not the purpose of this video. We're just giving you an idea of what they look like mounted up. So yeah, let's get into the next portion of the video. Alrighty guys, and that is pretty much everything you guys need to know fitment wise thus far on the all new Glock 17 Gen 6 with the new Gen 6 optics cut. As far as co-witness, like I said, none of them are going to co-witness with the factory irons. That's just the nature of how low these iron sights sit on a Glock. As far as fitment goes, like I said, fits flush, as close as you could get to direct mount as possible. It has sort of that multi-footprint optics cut with the multiple different screw holes in it. So, like I said, comes with different plates. It'll mount most optics, so pretty nice feature set there as far as this goes. They all mount good, they all fit good, they all look good. That's really what it comes down to. As far as testing goes, we'll see down the line how they do. As far as I'm concerned, they should hold up fine, but don't quote me on that as far as them being polymer. But pretty nice. I'm pretty impressed with the new optics cut. I like it a lot. And as always, all of the optics, screws, plates, anything that you see in our videos is available at freedomgorilla.com. We have the best price, free shipping, link down in the description below. Go click that link, get yourself set up. You'll be glad that you did. And if you have any questions whatsoever regarding fitment, optics cuts, footprints, plates, screws, anything you want to know, you could hit up our customer service team. They will be able to answer most of your questions. You could check out freedomgorilla.com. We have fitment guides on there, screw sizes, everything you need to know, or right here on YouTube. On our YouTube channel, we have pretty much videos on everything. If you look back further, we cover anything you want to know about pretty much any combo. With that being said, remember to subscribe to Freedom Gorilla for the best optic content on YouTube. Remember to hit that notification bell so you get notified when new stuff like this comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.